Hello everyone. In our 2-minute revision lesson today, we will be discussing the topic, the impact of changing life expectancy upon family, from the unit family. Life expectancy refers to the statistical measure of how long, on average, people are expected to live. In general, it is higher in industrialized societies due to better healthcare, nutrition, and sanitation. It also tends to be higher for women than men, which has several implications for family structures. As life expectancy increases, we see a rise in elderly lone parent households, especially among women, since they typically outlive their male partners. This has also led to more vertical extended families and beanpole families, where fair generations great-grandparents, grandparents, parents, and children may all coexist. One major consequence of longer life expectancy is the increased involvement of grandparents in family life. They provide childcare, emotional support, and cultural education, especially in households where both parents work or in single-parent families. They often help reduce childcare costs and are a strong source of guidance for teenagers who may clash with their parents. However, sociologists point out that this can add emotional and physical burdens, especially on women. Feminists argue that caregiving roles for elderly family members often fall on daughters. According to Healy and Yarrow 1997, women frequently become sandwich carers, looking after both elderly parents and young children, sometimes at the cost of their jobs and mental well-being. Chambers 2012 argues that the elderly population is highly diverse and should not be viewed as a burden. Many elderly people remain financially independent and active in society. However, this view is shaped by Western values and doesn't fully apply globally. In non-Western societies, there is stronger filial piety, meaning respect and duty towards elders. In regions like South Asia and Africa, retirement homes are uncommon and even seen as disrespectful. The elderly often remain heads of households and take on key decision-making roles. Jessel et al. 2011 found that Bangladeshi children in the UK had mutual relationships with grandparents. The children taught them about technology, and in return, they learned about cultural heritage and language. Similarly, Oyserman et al. 1993 discovered that boys raised by grandparents showed less toxic masculinity. Still, grandparent-headed families often face economic struggles due to the grandparents' limited ability to work or lack of relevant skills in modern job markets. In conclusion, while increased life expectancy has brought about intergenerational benefits, it also presents new challenges for families, particularly around gender roles, care work, and economic pressures. Dear students, remember the resource is always here for a quick, easy revision whenever you need a boost. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.